Hello everyone, welcome to my Clay channel. So today, have you ever heard of takoyaki?
So, takoyaki is a local Osaka dish made of flour dough filled with octopus and condiments and baked into a spherical shape about 3 to 5 centimeters in diameter. It's also famous for its okonomiyaki. So, Osaka is a very popular tourist destination with many good prices and tasty dishes.
So this time I'm gonna use this one, Japanese omelette pan to making a rectangle takoyaki. Probably only people who will watch this video and decided to try it are those who already knows how delicious takoyaki is. I know it doesn't look like a takoyaki anymore, but you can make that delicious takoyaki with this. Hope it will help you. So, okay, let's get started.
So, okay, here are the ingredients for a rectangle takoyaki. So, first, 40 grams of flour and 1 beaten egg and 5 grams of hondashi and 50 grams octopus and 140 milliliters of water. And then this is optional, but 1 slice of cheese and 1 drained red pickled ginger. And then last one is 5 grams of chopped spring onion. So, okay, next are the ingredients for the topping. Please use all the quantity to your liking. So, bonito flakes, okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and chopped spring onions. So, these are the most common topping for takoyaki. And okonomiyaki sauce is very expensive if you buy it. So, I've put the URL of the website that has a recipe for homemade okonomiyaki sauce in the description box. So, please check it out there as well. So, okay, first of all, cut the octopus into the bit-sized pieces. So, okay, next, let's make a dough for the takoyaki. So, add the ingredients to a bowl. So, first, 40 grams of flour, 5 grams of hondashi, and then add 140 milliliters of water in 2 parts. Mix with a whisk to avoid lumps. Mixing with a whisk will make the dough fluffy. So, okay, when well mixed, add the beaten egg and mix again. So, once the dough is ready, it's time to cook. So, set the omelette pan and warm it on medium-low heat. So, add about 2 teaspoons of veggie oil and use a kitchen towel to coat the entire pan with oil. After all the dough has been poured, place all the ingredients except the octopus on top of the dough. I personally recommended adding a red pickled ginger as it gives it an extra flavor and taste. However, you can also add the cut olives instead. It's also good. So, and then next, add the chopped spring onions. So, okay, when the dough is half cooked through, add the octopus to the front half of the dough. Later, you will bend the dough in half, so add the octopus only to 1 half. So this is the last one, but this is not common. I just add the cheese because I love it. So, okay, once all the ingredients are in, use a slotted turner to fold the dough in half. I've tried this many times and have yet to get it folded to half in cleanly. So cook slowly over medium-low heat, folding in half and turning over twice. So cook for about 10 minutes in total. So if it loses the shape, so don't worry, it won't be noticeable when you add the toppings.
Okay, 10 minutes has passed. Let's serve to the plate.
Okay, first I will use the okonomi sauce. And then I'm gonna use the Kewpie mayonnaise. And then I will use the bonito flakes. And then last one, I will sprinkle the spring onion. はい、完成です。I made a takoyaki. So let's try the taste. じゃーん、できました。食べよう。So I will try the taste. So let's begin. いただきます。いただきます。This is the たこ焼き。これたこ焼きだわ。おいしい。お出汁が効いてる生地だからとっても味がしっかりしてる。こんな感じです。たこ中やっぱチーズ and the たこ焼き is really goes well。めっちゃあと紅生姜すごい効いてて美味しい。Okay, if you enjoyed my video, please give me the thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!